Hi, I'm David Bullock, and welcome to the Ask David Bullock Show. Today, a question that I like to answer is, what's going to happen with self-driving cars? And if you're involved in an accident with the self-driving or autonomous car, what does that mean as far as liability? Who's at fault and who can you sue? So, and it's a good question because a lot of car manufacturers today are trying to bring their cars to self-driving cars, and a lot of corporations are trying to implement them into their company vehicles. So it's a question as far as the law already has certain things that are in place. You look at products liability law. I mean, we already sue car manufacturers now for airbag defects or brake defects or some other type of defect within the vehicle itself. So you would bring a products liability claim against the car manufacturer or the dealership that sold you the vehicle itself. And then what you also have to look at is with the autonomous driving mode of the vehicle, as far as who is the company that developed the software, who's the technology owner, is there any updates to it, did they know about it? You would have to look at all of those types of things to determine liability itself. So if you're in a car and it's a self-driving car, you're in the car but you're not driving it, and there's a defect within the technology, then that's probably where your claim would be. Now, if you get hit by a self-driving car, you would have those defendants, plus in Florida law, the owner of the vehicle is vicariously liable for any negligence that their car that they own caused. So you would have that cause of action as well. So I think it's a valid cause of action. It's arguments that we've used. Back in 2012, I had a jury trial against a automotive dealership for the negligent maintenance of a vehicle, where after my client had their car serviced at this dealership, subsequently drove the vehicle, there was a mechanical failure of the vehicle, it caused an accident with injuries, and we ultimately got a $1.6+ million jury verdict. So those same arguments and those same legal arguments, they're already in place, they're still being used, it's just their application is a little bit different, and that now that we're talking about technology. So I hope that answers your question, and thanks for watching the Ask David Bullock Show.